Remember, every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams, or wake up and chase them. Time is your most valuable asset. Wasted time is your biggest mistake. The past has no power over the present moment. The choice is yours, but don't let your dreams slip away while you're still in bed. Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself every day, and let your progress be your motivation. Discipline and obsession will take you further than passion ever will. The past is in your head, the future is in your hands.